Welcome back. 2003 Chevy Impala. It's got a leaking windshield washer pump. I looked at this already. Very common for these to leak. My daughter's behind the camera just cracking up. I don't know why, but whatever. They say I have my YouTube voice. I don't even know what that means, but whatever. So we're going to replace the windshield washer pump in this. It's very common for them to leak. I have a Suburban, basically the same pump. Same thing, I'll show you when I get out. You got to go through the wheel well to get this, so I'm going to show you how to get it apart and get it out of there, and we'll replace it with a new one. Take this inner liner off. There's, I think these are 7mm screws here. So here's the pump. Electrical connector up here. Just gonna pop that off. This, tip it out. It's just it's pushed in. Let me show you the new one. There's a little nub up on top, right there. That's just get this and just push it out like that. This is probably gonna leak a little because it has some fluid in it. Not a lot though. It's a little wet right now because it's raining. Yeah, so it's gonna leak a little bit. Can't do much about that. This, I don't know if you can see it or not. It's a little wet, but when I first took it out and looked at it, it was dry. It's cracked here. So the seal's broken, and it had blue residue all up in here. So this is common. They leak around when that cracks. They leak, and that's what's wrong with this one. That's where it's leaking. Disconnect the line from it. It leaks all over the place. Take my new one. Like I said, there's not much to this. Put the new one in. I have a new grommet too, which let me see if I can get this grommet out of here. Yeah, put a new grommet in it, might as well. There's more in there than I thought. Making a mess. If I'd known that, I'd put a pan under it. A little late now. Not gonna hurt anything. We'll get this one back in there. Okay, stick that down into that grommet through the hole. Push it down all the way. Push that back in. Hook your connector up. The electrical connector, which you probably can't see because it's in the shade. It's in the shadow. Let's go inside that line. Come on. Gotta be difficult, huh? Stop leaking. Oh, that's on all the way down. That's it. Like I said, you need to check this to make sure it's not cracked and the reservoir is not leaking. But I know I checked this earlier. It's actually the old pump that was leaking. So real simple to get to. You know, just a couple screws on the inner fender liner, and real easy to get at. Now it won't leak anymore, and now I can actually use it. Daughter's over there cracking up again. Well, that's it. 2003 Chevy Impala. It's probably good for 2000 to 2005 at least. Real easy, simple, 10 minutes. Really, if I wasn't filming, 10 minutes in and out. Just remove that inner liner to the wheel well. A couple screws, like 8 or 10 screws. Pull it out and put the new one in. I didn't realize I had that much fluid in there. It leaked all over the place, but it's not going to hurt anything. If you have this problem with your Impala, I hope it helps you out. If you like the video, subscribe below. Thanks for watching.